Question number 6. This is the question. Question is, a copper wire has diameter of 0.5 millimeter and resistivity 1.6 into 10 raised minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of the wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? When you are solving a numerical, first of all you must write the values given. What are the values given in the question? That write down in your paper. When you write the given values, you will get some idea about the equation. The relation connecting the given values, you will get the idea. Then you can apply the equation. It is given diameter of the wire. What is diameter of the wire? 0.5 millimeter. But we need radius. Radius will be equal to 0.5 by 2. Half of this is equal to how much? 0.25 millimeter. And for converting millimeter into meter, millimeter is not SI unit. Converting millimeter into meter, we can divide by 1000 or multiply by 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 for converting millimeter into meter. Resistivity is given 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Rho is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of the wire? We have to find out the length of the wire. So that its resistance should be 10 ohm. Means resistance of the wire is given. R is equal to 10 ohm. To get 10 ohm resistance, what should be the length of the wire? L equal to how much? This is the question. That is the first part of the question. Second part of the question, how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? So we will come to that after solving this one. R equal to rho into L by A. For a wire like this, if you take the area cross section, A is the area cross section of the wire. This A can be taken as pi r square. So this equation we can write once again. The resistance of the wire is equal to rho into L by pi r square. A we are substituting as pi r square. Length we have to find out. So if I rewrite this equation for length of the wire, L is equal to, what will be the equation? This pi r square will come to numerator, r into pi r square. Length is equal to r into pi r square divided by rho will go to denominator. L we are keeping here. Pi r square will go here, r into pi r square divided by rho equal to L, or L equal to r into pi r square divided by rho. Then substitute the values. R is given 10 ohm. Resistance of the wire is given here 10 ohm. So we'll take R is 10 ohm into pi 3.14 into R square is 0.25, that is in millimeter, into 10 raised to minus 3 is meter. Square of this one divided by resistivity. This all divided by resistivity is how much? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 8. Here there is 10 raised to minus 3 square, and 10 raised to minus 3 square means 10 raised to minus 6. And this 10 raised to minus 8 and 10 raised to minus 6 I can cancel, and 10 raised to minus 8 cancel. What is remaining here? 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2 if you take to numerator become 100. 10 raised to minus 2 means numerator become plus 2. Plus 2 means 100. So this can be finally written as L is equal to 10 into 3.14 is how much? 31.4. And 0.25 square is how much? 0.0625 into this 10 raised to minus 2 I am taking to numerator as 100. 10 raised to minus 2 numerator become plus 2. 10 raised to plus 2 means 100 divided by 1.6. So this again can be written as, the maximum will simplify, then we can do the final calculation. L is equal to
6.25.
31.4 multiply with 100, 0.0625 into 100 becomes into 6.25 by 1.6. This you have to do. Simplify this one. 122.6 meter is the answer. So we got the answer. Length of the wire should be, to get 10 ohm resistance, length of the wire should be equal to 122.65 meters. It can be written approximately 122.7 meters. That is the answer. Then same question, the second part of the question is, now the same question, how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? If the diameter is doubled means radius also become doubled. Suppose the new diameter is d dash, that is equal to 2 times of the previous 2d. Then the new radius R dash will be equal to what? 2R. 2 times of the previous. Now we have the equation. Suppose the initial resistance is given by R is equal to rho into L by pi R square is the initial resistance. Equation number 1. Now if the diameter is doubled, the new resistance R dash is equal to rho into how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Means length I can write L itself and pi into R dash square. R dash square. New radius is 2R, doubled. When diameter is doubled, radius also doubled. So here instead of R square I should write 2R the whole square because radius is doubled. 2R the whole square. It can be written once again. R dash is equal to resistivity is a constant. It won't change. Okay, it is constant for a material. Okay, by length or thickness, the resistivity will not change. So rho will remain constant, same rho. Length also is same here. Only diameter is doubled. So radius also is doubled. So I can write here 4 pi R square. This I will take equation number 2. Now we want to find out the new resistance R dash. So I will write R dash by R. Means you have to divide equation 2 by 1. What can we write? Left hand side will be R dash by R. R is the initial resistance is equal to right hand side rho into L by 4 pi R square, and instead of dividing I am multiplying with the reciprocal of equation number 1. Pi R square divided by rho L. Pi R square by rho L. Here this rho L will get cancelled. Pi R square cancel. Pi R square cancel. What is remaining? R dash by R is equal to 1 by 4. So what is the new resistance R dash? This R will go to numerator, R by 4. 1 by 4th of the initial value. What was the initial resistance? R dash is equal to new resistance equal to initial resistance is 10 ohm. Isn't it? In the question it is given that. In the question it is given initially it is having 10 ohm resistance. 10 ohm resistance.
10 by 4.
So we can write 10 by 4. The new resistance will be, if the diameter is doubled, the new resistance will be
2.2.
10 by 4 ohm. So R dash is equal to 10 by 4 means 2.5. 2.5 ohm. Means when the diameter is doubled, resistance decreased to 1 by 4th of the initial value, that is 2.5 ohm. Okay, we'll stop here.